Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Delivery in public system and creation of AI employment opportunities for Goan youth to emerge, to ensure that Goa emerges as a leading artificial intelligence hub.
Government is presently in the process of finalizing the draft Goa AI policy 2026, which aims to position Goa as a leading hub for artificial intelligence, innovation in emerging technologies.
First, prepare the nice data. You will protect the data and see entry level at San Amkit ko grade kata. What steps you will take? I want a clear-cut assurance from you that you will do it nicely.
Whether we should take this resolution, and if we don't want to take this resolution, what steps he will take in detail, if I please give us so that we can understand it better.
25 July Speaker Sir, गोवा AI मिशन 2027 AI विचारधारा करून आम्ही पुढे सुरुवात केली. We launched a comprehensive AI initiative to build a robust ecosystem and promote the use of AI across governance, innovation and public service delivery. Our vision was clear. Goa merely must not consume AI solutions developed elsewhere. Goa must develop these skills. To create them, we have to develop that. Build the companies that deploy them. Attract the investment to sustain them, where we will talk about machines and humans working together. And ताज्या खातीर स्पीकर सर, आमची AI पॉलिसी जी 100 दिसां भितर जी आमी नोटिफाय करपाक सोदतात, तातूंतल्यान स्पीकर सर, only it will not be only a document of intent, it will be a document of action to what I have spoken.